Hello, Cherif Medawar here, and I want to talk to those who have some money in banks in the US. This is not a big problem because I don't know if you realize, number one, if you have an account, a personal account, you have the coverage up to 250,000, but if you add additional beneficiaries, there is 250,000 for each. So if you have $1 million cash in your bank account for whatever reason, and you want the coverage, the insurance, the FDIC insurance, Federal Depository Insurance Corporation, to cover the $1 million, you need to put the only one on the account, you need to put your spouse, beneficiary, your son, your daughter, maybe your sister, your brother. So in the case of $1 million, you want 4 beneficiaries, including yourself. If you have a living trust, you can have, with $1 million, you can have 4 beneficiaries. And also the good news is the President Biden has said that they will bail out Silicon Valley Bank up to $150 billion apparently, which is very good news. That means they're going over and above the 250,000. They're covering commercial accounts, they're covering everything beyond the 250,000, which is good. Some people are upset about it. I don't know why they're upset. You don't want anybody to go bust when they actually didn't do anything wrong. They just put their money into a bank account. So the good news is I think a lot of people are going to look at real estate, brick and mortar. That's where the money should be. That's where your income could be coming from. And over time, you realize that brick and mortar is the way to go. Thank you so much.